Okay, guys, so apparently there has been some confusion based on an email I've received as far as how the points are working. So, okay, what I told you guys was that I was only giving you points for things that you turned in complete and that the due dates were a suggestion, they weren't an actual requirement. So, what that meant was, and please follow along with the highlighted marker, is that everything I gave you only went in if it was 100% and if it would cause your grade to go up closer to an A+. Some people apparently were confused and did not understand what this meant. Here is what this means. Nothing is required. Everything is going in as extra credit. You don't have to do anything I give you if you don't want to for the duration of the school closure. However, I'm going to point two things out to you, and these are the same two things I've pointed out to you guys in the past over any other extra credit. Number one, if you don't do any work, your grade will not change. For some of you, this might be an okay situation. Many of you, however, need to raise your grades, either to get better GPAs to go to college, especially for the seniors, or for the sophomores, many of you are still not in a situation where you're going to pass at this point unless you turn in extra credit. Now would be a great opportunity to do so if you can. And number two, and this applies to all of you, try to remember that if you don't learn anything while school is closed, guys, which may or may not be the rest of the year, you are going to be behind the kids who did choose to do work. For you seniors, this means that you are going to be behind all those other people who are now adults and have to compete for jobs in a possibly recessioned economy starting in June. For you sophomores, that means you will have 2 more years of school left, minimum, during which you are now missing several months of information and skills. So, keeping those things in mind, you don't have to do what I give you. I will continue to give you things that you can do every single week. It is your choice whether or not to take care of them. Have fun.